Good morning everyone. For today's breakfast, gawa tayo ng fried green beans for baet, waffle for us and kuya, and this angus. Ito muna natin yung green beans natin. I-mix na natin yung ating gagawing waffle. Mix naman na natin. Ayan, yung na-blanch natin. Pinati ko na lang ng ganyan. Waffle. Nagawa na tayo ng butter ng ating green beans. Then ito yung cornstarch. Healthy french fries ang tawag dyan ni Baet. Ito, naluto na natin yung ating ingay ng ating waffle maker. Masyadong mahaba yung bacon natin dito sa pan. So, isa lang ang maluluto. There you are. Breakfast is ready for the three of us only. Coffee, waffle, bacon, and for Baet, it's the green beans fries. Ayan. Yan ang aming kay kuya.
Okay. And we're with this.
Da 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 da.